Guys, I have a Bitcoin update for you, so I will update you really quick on the important scenarios and what to look out for. Now, if we look at the bigger time frames, like the 4-hour time frame, where what has been going on right here, we are looking at this scenario first, the bearish scenario, where we count this as an A, B, C to look for one more low and then continue to the upside. So in this scenario, we basically look for a retracement, at least in the wave X. That's the probabilities we have for the scenario at least. So if we look at the bullish scenario, let's look at this scenario first. And in this scenario, as you can see, we are looking at an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now also in this scenario, we are looking at a retracement in a wave 2. So they are already both those two of those scenarios, the bullish and the bearish scenario, are aligning in this side of the movement, because both of them are going down in the wave 2 or in the wave X of the WXY. So also in this scenario, we are looking for more downside. And now the last bullish scenario is the double 1-2 or the multi 1-2. So in this scenario, we actually don't visit these low levels again here, and we simply look here for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go up without touching any of these resistance levels, or liquidity levels. So then let's take a look at the 50-minute chart. So as you can see, this is the multi 1-2 we talked about just now. And what we want to see for in this bullish scenario, where we simply continue to rise, is we want to see after this impulse, right? We have here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are still looking for one more high. After that, we want to see a 3-wave corrective structure to the downside. That's very important. After this high, if we see something like this, like real impulsive structures, then the scenario is pretty much invalidated, and we are looking at a WXY or at a simple impulse, right? But if we get here nice 3-wave corrective moves, then we can look for more upside. So this next retracement is going to be very important. As we are seeing now, this retracement is highly likely to be corrective, which means we are going to take out this high. Also, what we can see is volume. Volume is the highest, and new wave 3, exactly what we want to see. So we want to see wave 5 making a new high on a least amount of volume. We want to see the volume not overtaking this volume. So we have a divergence, the volume and price, exactly what we want to see. So we can look for a bit of retracement. And then again, the retracement is very important, whether we are looking for the bullish scenario 2 or the bullish scenario 1. So probabilities on a 50-minute chart are higher to take out the high, preferably before hitting a 618. So if you look at the wave 3 retracement for the 618, we don't want to hit this level, and we want to take out all-time highs. So let me say it other way. We want to take out all-time high before hitting this level. So we actually like to see this level hit, but only after taking the high, not all-time high. So yes, these are the probabilities. On the 4-hour chart, we are looking at a retracement. And on the 50-minute chart, it all depends on these smaller retracement. If the smaller retracement is corrective, then we're looking for more upside. And probably the multi 1-2 scenario is the one with the highest probabilities. Although, if this small retracement here is impulsive, then we can basically kick out the multi 1-2 out of the window, and we're looking at either the simple impulse or the WXY. So I hope you like this quick update. Be prepared and everything. Bye bye.